Hi, this is Brandon with Precision Defensive Solutions, and today we're going to talk about the importance of knowing not only your state laws when it comes to carrying a firearm and your self-defense laws in your state, but also anywhere where you travel. So not all states are exactly the same when it comes to self-defense laws or their concealed carry laws. Ohio has great reciprocity with other states. Probably some of the, if not some of the best, probably maybe even the best reciprocity of any state in this country, which is pretty awesome. Those of us that live in Ohio, that's pretty awesome. But there's things about Ohio law that are different than Indiana law, that are different than Pennsylvania law, that are different than Michigan law. And living in Northeast Ohio, getting to Michigan, getting up to Detroit, it's a couple hours. Getting over to Pittsburgh is an hour. Over to Indiana, is a couple hours. It's not a big deal. We're all within a 5 to 6 hour drive between Cleveland, Indianapolis, Pittsburgh, Detroit, or if we go down south into Ohio, Columbus, Cincinnati, Dayton, and all these different places. And even into West Virginia and Kentucky. But knowing where we travel and what the laws are important, because God forbid we end up in a self-defense situation in a state we're not familiar with, or we're carrying in a state that we're not a resident in, and we make a mistake. Let's say it's a state that we're supposed to notify law enforcement, we get stopped and we fail to notify. And we've picked up a charge in a state that we're not a resident in. You can't sit there and go to court and go, sit in front of the judge and go, Your Honor, I really didn't know. I'm not from here. Ignorance is not an argument, and it's not an excuse. You need to be more responsible than that. If you are carrying a gun on a daily basis to protect your life and the lives of your loved ones, then you need to know the laws of your jurisdiction and any jurisdiction that you visit. Another reason why I recommend Firearms Legal Protection, because the app gives you that resource right at your fingertips. So why people are not signing up with us for Firearms Legal, I don't know. The benefits are great. They really are great. And it's not expensive. But we need to take more responsibility for ourselves. We need to be adults about what we're doing. And we need to make good decisions in the big grand scheme of things. So know your laws. Know the laws of where any jurisdiction you travel to. Read it, check it, double check it, and if you don't understand it, contact an attorney that does understand it and can explain it to you. Take care, everybody. Be safe, be responsible, and we'll talk to you soon.